Hello. Hello.
Hello. Game na po tayo ha. Aba, baka mag-computer ka pa dito. Okay, game. Team Regulars versus Team Solo Joiners. Oh, pasok. Yung regular sa Coaching, Boter, Jet, CM, Miguel. Paalala ko lang ha, wala tayong first ball.
Wala kang bag na dito na. Wala mo. Ay, yung ano, yung table?
Okay, game ha.
Ay, lang nagpapakot ng boat. Parang ano lang dapat mabati. Wala ko na.
Okay, 2 points by team. Teo to CM. CM, first shot is good. Score 0-2. Maganda po si Sir CM. Nice pass, steal by Miguel. Miguel, lefty shot, no good. Buti, nandun si Teo. Teo, 2 points. Score 4-2. Paalala ko lang, wala tayong first ball ha. Basta nilabas ang bola, good. Nice pass. Extra to Kim. Kim, no good. Okay, rebound by CM. To Miguel. Sakto ata. Sakto nga. 2 points by Teo. Score 6-2. Both teams ha, may dalawang timeout per game. Okay, no good. Nakuha ni Kim. Nice pass, Santiago, 2 points. Hindi pa nakikis-kisan to. Teo, walang umakat sa ilalim. 12 seconds to Boter. Boter, no good. Harold. Okay, Keith. Fade away shot, no good. Rebound by CN. Oy, bihirang-bihira nangyayari yun. 2 points, Teo. Score 8-4. Ha? Okay, block, save ball. Paalala ko lang ha, dapat nilalabas ang bola ha. Pwede kayong tawagan ng ano, inbound violation. Okay, good. Wala po tayong first ball, bossy. Score 10-4. Parang liga na po talaga to. Kayo lang nga lang ang tumatawag.
Sabi mo, ilabas na ako. Kanina pa rin na lang.
Okay. Tumama daw sa paa ni CM, bigay niya.
Good luck.
Okay, sige, bigay nyo na muna dito. Bigay nyo na muna para mabilis na. 3 minutes 58 seconds. Wait lang, labas nyo muna, Jeff. Bigay nyo na. Dito na, bigay nyo. Okay, 3 minutes 58 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5 seconds. Okay, 2 points. 10-6. Miguel. To Boter. Boter. To Miguel. Sakto. Coaching. 2 points. 12-6. Okay, counted. Grabe yun, parang hindi natinag sa bangga. 12-8. Nice drop. CM. 16 seconds to shoot. To Boter. Sayang. Santiago. Santiago, 2 points. Score 12-10. Okay, Teo. Blanca, nice D by Kim. Parang may bobel na sa ilalim. Malayo. 2 points, Santiago. Score 0-12. Teo to CM. Pinasa kay Kochi. Kochi. Wala. Rebound by Boter. 12 seconds to shoot. Nice block, Santiago. Mukhang malakas ang nabuo ko na sa ulo joiners ha. Okay, foul si Boter. Last 2 minutes. Pre, Kyle, eto ko sa inyo ha. Si Jason. President ka. Okay, 2 points by Boter. Score 14-12. Santiago, no good, nakuha uli. Grabe, wala, nakuha ni Boter. 1 minute 30 seconds. Teo, libre Teo, wala. Sayang. Nakakadalawa ng... Oh.
Kasi sa nakaliba ko naman yung Tuesday, so...
Time remaining 1 minute 19 seconds, 14 to shoot. Save ball. 1 minute 12 seconds.
Stay court na HDMI yung ano yun. Kasi wala no.
Steal. Kickball muna daw, kickball, kickball. Kickball. Kickball si Boter. 1 minute, 12 seconds, 14 to shoot. Nice pass. Kim, nice fake. Grabe yun. All 14. Last 55 seconds. Miguel, pull up. No good. Nakuha ni. Good daw. Okay, wait. Labas muna daw. Labas. Light ball. Dito.
Inbound mo agad.
40 seconds. 14 to shoot. Kochi to Miguel. 10 seconds. Last 28 seconds. Santiago, 2 points. Last 21 seconds. 14-16. Miguel, no good. 10 seconds. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. And score 14-16. Bola ng regulars. 16-14. Bola nyo, Boter. Hindi, kanila. Kayo una nakakuha ng bola eh. Okay, game na po. Start na po tayo para makatatlong games lahat. Boter, nice play. Boter, third round. Oh, yung malo. Harold. Kim. Wala. Rebound by Boter.
Sabihin ko na
Kick ball. Same ball. 6 minutes 35 seconds. Boter. Ako, patay kayo diretso. Nice rebound by CM. Nakuha ni Sir Kim. Kim. Grabe naman yun. Sayang. Last touch. Ano, may umami na? Last touch. Eight seconds to shoot.
meron pa yun, ah.
No good. Three. 19-14. Still, ang ganda ng depensa ng Solo Joiners. Ang ganda ng pasa. 2 points by Kim. Score 21-14. Miguel. Miguel wala. Rebound by Vince. Steal by Boter. 5 minutes 15 seconds. Rebound by CM. Wala. Nakuha ni Santiago. Santiago. Ang ganda naman noon. 2 points by 23-14. Nakpil. Siyam na ang kalamangan, ha? Boter. Wala. Unselfish play ang ginagawa ng Team Regulars. Steal by Boter. Boter, wala kitang-kita. 4 minutes 30 seconds. Lifting violation.
Huwag tawag sa kanila.
Dito bola, lifting. Three points. 23-17. Last 4 minutes, second half. Tamayo, 8 seconds. No good. Okay, foul na. Foul. Tamayo, munti ka na. Nice rebound by Kochi. To Teo, to Miguel, to Teo. Teo, easy two. 23-19, nakakakutok na naman ako ng overtime. Santiago, ang ganda ng drop na yun, 2 points. 25-19, hindi pumapayag dumikit ang ano. Teo, no good. Nakuha ni Sir Kim. Kim, ang laki nagdadala. 2 points by Sir Kim. 27-19. Wala pang practice daw yan. Malupit na. Boter. 2 CM. CM, no good. Nakuha ni Coaching. Teo, no good. Rebound by okay, tumawag. 2 minutes 29 seconds. 14 to shoot, 14 to shoot. 8 ang hinahabol ng regulars. Teo. To CM. Pag may nakita po kayong tawag, kayo ang tatawag ha. Sa last 1 minute ako nagdi-decision ng calls. Nice drop. 1 minute 45 seconds. Jerome, no good. Rebound. Oh, okay, foul daw. Foul. 1 minute 38 seconds. 1 minute 38 seconds, 14 to shoot. King, tumira derecho, wala. Both teams ha, may 2 pang timeout. Paalala ko lang. Miguel, to Teo. Teo, palakas. Last touch by Nakpil. 1 minute 20 seconds, 15 to shoot. Miguel, wala. Rebound by Jerome. 1 minute 10 seconds. Para. 1 minute 5 seconds. 14 to shoot. 1 minute 5 seconds. 14 to shoot. 59 seconds. 5 to shoot. Two shots. 54.4 seconds. Two free throws and 2 free throws. First shot, no good. Last shot. Okay. 28-23, 5 ang hinahabol ng regulars. To Miguel. To Teo. Teo, 2 points. Last 40 seconds. Okay. Bad pass. 3 ang hinahabol, 40 seconds. Coaching, patay kayo diretso. 3 points. All 28. Last 30 seconds. 8 seconds violation. Labas muna. 8 seconds. 8 seconds muna. Hindi, 8 seconds. Hindi natawid yung bola, bossing. Hindi natawid ang bola. Labas lang muna. 24 seconds. No need to foul both teams. 24.7. 17 seconds. Hotel. No good. 10 seconds. Okay, 2 free throws. 7.7 seconds. Na-time out ba kayo? Okay, pwesto na. 7.7 seconds. First shot, no good. Time out. Time out pa rin. Okay. Okay, time out. Team regulars. Score 29-28. Paalala ko lang, hindi ko tatanggapin ang intentional na pasabit. At walang moving defense. Pagsasalubong. Unless ang lateral. 7.7 seconds ha. Okay, time out muna daw sila rin. 7.7. Isa na lang time out, both teams ha. Isang time out na lang, both teams. 7.7. Okay, back to the ball game. 7.7 seconds. Five seconds. Okay. Time out. Wala ng time out ang Red Solo Joiners. 29-30. Sabi nga pa, nakakakutumba ko eh. Okay ang may time out na lang. Team Regulars. Palabas na lang po dito, palabas. 3.1 seconds, 3.1. Paulo, Pau, excuse nga lang. Bad pass. Okay, foul. Oh, meron pang 1. 1 second, 2 free throws. Hindi po mapipindot ang oras hanggang hindi nakakapitan ng bola. Okay, no good. Wala na. 1 second. Okay. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Kaya-kayang abuli niyan. Meron tayong point difference. Bossing. Pre, alam niyo naman. Basta isa lang naman ang lamang sa inyo eh. Kaya nyo pang habulin nyo sa second game. Game, pwesto! Team Undrafted versus Team Sardegna. Pre, ayan. Ang kakampi nyo ha. Pre, ayun, si Marky. 5 kayo. Pa-jumble na nga lang po.